Alright guys, day 2 on the grind. We're officially in the middle of nowhere. Officially in the middle of nowhere, practically. Nice guy bush hogged this and said we can fish it, so we're going to try to find some good smallmouth today.
Find a deep hole, hopefully.
Yep.
Okay, Bugzilla.
Alright.
What we got?
Yep, let's roll. I'm recording. Pap's hooked up with a dandy of a smallmouth here. Looks pretty chunky from here. Really?
I seen him coming. That was cool. He hammered it, man. Not like you had.
Yeah. Oh! A little baby smallmouth right there. Goes. Thought so. The fins look different. Looks like a nice one. Man. Oh yeah. Holy moly. Yeah, that must have been him. Oh yeah. Yes, sirree.
Go, Bug.
Yeah. Oh man.
Give him some. Talk to me and catch him. That's that one thing you thought he could pull you.
No, it's a little guy, this one. Oh, never mind. He's actually pretty decent size. Oh man, you got some sharp teeth on you, little guy. That had to have been the one I saw. Looks like he has a solid fish on. Oh man. Nice one, man. How did he fight compared to the fall fish?
Well, good. He hit just as hard as the fall fish.
Man.
I mean, he nailed it, baby.
Oh, nope. That was definitely not a fight, boy. My goodness. Hey. Well, he's a little chunky thing.
Takes half my bait on.
Man, that was a nice one. Yeah. Alright guys, for some reason, that long deep stretch over there it was practically dead. Over here, there's tons. Man. I can't even believe that. There's a fish on there too, I guarantee it. Yep, right there it is.
So you carry them in your pocket or what?
There's a good bit. I'll grab one right behind you. Oh, hey, that is a nice little fish. Oh, man. Run up on me.
They're right up under the tree in the bank. Get another one.
I'll play with him a little feisty. Oh yeah, they're right up under there too. Oh man, got one. Man, these bluegills are fighting hard. Sunfish, whatever you want to call them. Oh man. He has an insect on his fin. Got it on the fly. That's gonna be a cool one to slow down. He like skyrocketed on top of the water. But there he is. Big mouth on him, pretty. Right here behind it. Come on. Man, they like practically just get right up on it. They're practically touching it. Huh. Smallest fish award. Oh, he's a pretty one too. Oh, he's one of the pretty ones. Not as pretty as yesterday, but. There you go, big guy. Hold you up to the camera. He's really pretty. It's one of the pretty ones. Came up on it. Oh, he has a red tail on him. It's kind of weird. Red tail on this little guy. Oh yes, sir. There we go. I'm upgrading now. Saw him come in and slam it. Look at that. Upgrading. Yep. I like. Oh man, he really got it good. No way he was coming off. Guy. Fun catching size, definitely. Huh? I don't know, we laid into him right there. 15 maybe. Oh! Yes, sir. There you go. Oh, that's a pretty picture. Look at that. Man, he slammed as soon as it hit. Look at that. Oh, upgrade. Definite. Definite upgrade. Yeah. Alright guys, we're kind of getting into a little hole here. Caught a couple. There he is. Oh, yeah. Yes, sirree. Oh, man, he's fighting real hard, too. Oh, yeah.
I can't find